For this kicking attack, our main objective is to get out of the way. So from whatever stand I'm in, I'm going to shift back into my left lead, almost similar to a sparring stand or a tiger stand, to create some space. As I do so, I'll drop my lead arm down into what technically is called a knife hand low block. This allows me an extra layer of coverage in case I don't back out far enough. Now, during training, if you happen to slide back all the way out and miss the kick entirely, that's fine too. In many ways, that's maybe a bit preferred for some of our students who love to have a longer range. But if you don't back out far enough or fast enough, this can serve as the block itself. Once the block is made, strike with the back leg as you land. Use the momentum to come in on 1 and 2. So if my attacker is here, as I come out, I'll drop 1, 2, and 3. Hup! So a possible alternative for this technique is the attacker throwing a front leg technique, front leg snap kick. My goal is still get out of the way and perform the exact same block to avoid the kick. After that, I'll modify or adjust my strikes to line up with the new targets I'm now presented with. So if he comes in for a front leg snap, I'll still shift out. Once I'm here, 1, 2, and 3. In this technique, our goal then is to come in on a kick versus going away from a kick. As I come in on this roundhouse, I will do what is commonly known in Taekwondo as a cover block. This is where you drop one arm, in this case my lead arm, down to cover the lower part. My other arm come up in case a higher strike comes in. This is a cover block. I'll use my left foot on this technique, so that my movement will be 1. My goal is to come in at the same time the attacker throwing the kick and meet his thigh or knee with that front arm. The top arm, perform a downward strike to the neck, and then catch on to the neck itself or the shoulder. Sometimes it's also be done as one continuous movement. But once you're there, hook and lift your left arm upward, create a circular motion, draw back for a takedown. The more aggressive the kicker is, the easier this technique will be because the momentum of the kick will carry him down with your hands helping. So as we walk through this, 1, catch, lift, pull, come up, stomping kick to the stomach or the groin. So a possible alternative or option you may be given is if the attacker chooses to use the front leg. If my partner comes in and does a front leg roundhouse kick, that's the attack I'm now having to defend. I will still keep my technique. I'll still come forward with my left leg as I have been in the standard method. However, I will no longer have that leg to block. So instead of using my arm to actually blocking the technique, I'll use a distance or the less of distance or the lack of distance I'm now creating to stop the kick. This arm up here will still serve the same purpose. So if you watch my attacker, while I'm here, I do not block the technique with my left hand. I pass it on my right side. This hand performs the strike on the neck and catch. Now we no longer have a leg to catch and hook for a takedown. Therefore, we'll create a couple points. Some possible option would be 1, around the waist. Again, if the attacker is aggressive, the momentum in which he throws the kick will have his body lean forward. All you have to do is assist, come in,